A Reddit user has provided the best look yet at the new 2019 Ram 1500, which will be revealed officially January 15th at the Detroit Auto Show. The photo shows the entire truck, without camouflage, from inside a Fiat-Chrysler plant. Clearly visible is the pickup's new grille, prominent trim logo, and new, sculpted body. We'd previously seen spy shots of the redesigned front end with factory paint, the interior and its new split chrome bar badge and integrated headlights. Thanks to a long series of leaks dribbling out, here is everything we know about the new Ram 1500. It'll get a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, probably a 3.6-liter gasoline V6 version and possibly a new version of the EcoDiesel V6. It's mostly made of steel, except for aluminum in the hood and tailgate to save weight. Buyers will get the option of a split barn door style tailgate and advanced safety tech features. Inside will be a vertically oriented touchscreen available with hard buttons for climate control and a volume knob and redundant multi-purpose control knob. Look for all of the official photos plus our own coverage of the 2019 Ram 1500 at the 2018 North American International Auto Show.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, share, or like and subscribe for more videos.